Bullish Moonriver cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $32.81 and $61.98 by 2030. Market experts accept Movr could reach $25.52 by 2025. Bearish Moonriver market cost expectation for 2023 is $5.83. Moonriver presentation. The Moonbeam parachain utilizes the Movr system as a testing channel. The task's goal is to give Moonbeam developers a strong climate so they might begin testing and investigating their dApps. A parachain planned explicitly for the Polkadot framework is Moonriver. How about we examine the way this functions, its specialized and essential examination, and the Moonriver cost estimate. What is Moonriver? The Moonbeam idea was uncovered in June 2021, and after this, Moonriver was laid out. A changed Layer 1 chain called Moonbeam reproduces the logs, memberships, keys, accounts, Web3 RPC, and other fundamental components of Ethereum. The framework grants developers to assess their developments in a real, functional computerized market. Prior to delivering their works to Moonbeam, designers can evaluate how well their application's capability under certifiable circumstances and make vital changes. Moonbeam is eminently Polkadot's most intense brilliant agreement, likewise viable with Ethereum. Benefits of Moonriver as a Movr designer. You partake in a few advantages of utilizing this organization, for example, easy access. Since Moonriver is continuously being tried, clients can get to the best and most recent exploratory forms. You can get to projects that can possibly upset the market and speed up the reception of digital currencies since these frameworks are available to the overall population. At the point when the conventions are officially settled, gain a more profound handle of these innovations and apply that information to improve your return on initial capital investment results. Programmers' devices, various engineer apparatuses, and help are one more significant benefit that Moonriver offers. The organization gives developers admittance to administrations like the chart and Chainlink to further develop the dApp structure. Its base attributes additionally incorporate administrations of organization coordination for ERC20 and DAB tokens. Since its presentation, the Moonriver idea has previously experienced critical acknowledgement. The capacity to give clients admittance to the Ethereum DeFi environment without paying costly charges or managing weighty traffic is an additional advantage for engineers. The organization, for example, permits clients to utilize various renowned Ethereum-based instruments, including Truffle, Waffle, Hardhat, Remix, and MetaMask. Other elements. Moonriver and Moonbeam amazingly increment the usefulness of the Ethereum stage. These organizations include new parts, including marking, cross-chain mixes, and on-chain administration. Along these lines, numerous Ethereum software engineers have found a more complex yet conspicuous organization to advance their applications. How to exchange Movr. You can exchange Moonriver on the accompanying commercial centers. Uphold, one of the most outstanding trades for individuals in the UK. Also, US. That offers a huge assortment of digital forms of money is called Maintain. The Netherlands and Germany are limited. Binance. This stage is best for a few nations, including the UK, Australia, Singapore, and Canada. Be that as it may, Americans are confined from buying Moonriver. KuCoin. You can exchange in excess of 300 notable tokens on KuCoin. It as often as possible offers buy open doors for new tokens. Occupants of the US and different nations can likewise exchange utilizing this trade. Moonriver momentum cost. Moonriver is right now worth $7.29 USD. Movr has moved 2.68% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,991,755. Moonriver is as of now positioned 383 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $44,379,892 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Moonriver to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Moonriver market information and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market movement. Moonriver Value Expectation 2023. Moonriver, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Movr cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $10.94. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $10.21 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Movr is supposed to have a base worth of $8.75. Moonriver Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Moonriver Movr cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Movr will before long outperform $18.23. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Movr's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Movr will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14.58 and a typical exchanging cost of $16.04. Moonriver Value Forecast 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $25.52 and Movr might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Movr is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $23.33 and a low of $21.88 in 2025. Moonriver Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Moonriver effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the Movr coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Movr will be green in 2026. The Movr is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $32.81, with a base cost of $29.17 and a typical cost of $30.63. Moonriver Value Forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized examination, we gauge the Movr cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $37.92 by 2027, with a base cost of $36.46 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Movr has a most extreme value worth of $40.11. Moonriver Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $45.21. In the event that Movr figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $47.40. Neglecting to assemble the help Movr needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $43.75. Moonriver Value Forecast 2029. While Movr is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $51.04 and a yearly cost close above $54.69 in 2029. Moonriver Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Moonriver will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $58.34 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $61.98, averaging out at $59.79. Moonriver Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest